evening, everyone. I am outside walking with my dog. So this is one of the fields that we use for, we have bells out here, but not today because we picked all of them up. We're done cutting this field this year. It's a good size field. We got neighbors over there. We got neighbors over here. We got neighbors everywhere. So there's that pivot way down there. It's yeah. So we have a tree down there, a big tree out in this field. There's the lake called Ocean Lake. It's called Ocean Lake. Anyways, sometimes we have our cows out here during the winter times. So maybe sometime I will take you guys to a pivot. And yeah, fun time, fun haying. But we're done this year. We're done with hay. So yeah, so it was a good year. I think we did pretty good this year. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video and describe it. And yeah, this is, yep, it is, yeah, so, well, I will chat with you guys later, and I hope you have a good Friday. You know I will. And yep, I hope you guys like this video.